guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we are going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where we will be unboxing packages from the previous week. As always, I get so excited to film these videos for you guys. It's basically just like a haul unboxing packages, and I'm so grateful to all the amazing companies that sent me things in the mail. We have so many awesome brands today and I'm very excited to share with you. So anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe right down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then we do mail hauls every single Monday. And then also make sure that you do hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as my videos go live. But I'm very excited. I have a feeling this is going to be a long mail haul. So get a snack and a drink and let's dive in. And as always, you guys, everything we talk about today will be linked down below in the description bar. So the very first package I want to start with came from Natasha Denona, and this says Super Glow. I actually kind of opened the box, but I haven't opened the items that are in the box yet. So this is going to be some swatching and some good times. So yeah, and when you open it up, there are 3 different Natasha Denona Super Glows, and here's what the packaging looks like. So you have a fair, a light medium, and then a bronze shade. And I love every time because she always puts like one of her model pictures on the packaging and it's always so beautiful. So it says, with a brand new Super Glow highlight, Natasha found a way to take your highlight to another dimension. Okay, it says an intense 3D glow using finely milled chroma crystals and luxurious crushed pearls. It's a silky soft powder highlighter that comes in 3 different shades. And it says, for best results, apply directly on foundation, cream highlighter, bare skin, or use a damp highlighting brush. Ooh, okay, sounds interesting. Okay, so we're gonna swatch all the shades. First off, packaging's absolutely stunning. It looks like a silver, but almost whenever you like tilt it, it almost looks like it could have like a purple hue to it, and it says Super Glow. So the first shade is 01 Fair. Oh my gosh, first, can we just talk about how creamy this feels? So here's what it looks like on the finger. This is the fair shade. Very blinding. So that is 01 Fair. And then the next one we have is light medium, 02. This one almost has more of like a peachy shade to it. Okay, there is number 2. Okay, and then last but not least, we have the 03, which is bronze. Now this one actually looks kind of yellow to me. There's what it looks like on the finger, and then let's swatch it. I mean, again, these powders are so finely milled. They're so stunning. Here is that one swatch. So they're all 3 of those, and very excited to try these out. I know she also has a palette that's coming out really soon. I cannot wait to see that because they did show a sneak peek picture of it, but it was black and white, so you really couldn't tell exactly what it was. But yeah, thank y'all so much for that package. I cannot wait to use these highlights. Next, we have a package from Milk Makeup, and let's see what they sent over. Well, it definitely has some of these like little foam blocks in it, and it looks like a big white package. It says pull up. Oh great, it has an actual thing to pull it up with. Okay, what is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so first off, it comes in a package like this, and do you guys see this? Blur. And it's like whatever way you move it, I don't know. It looks crazy. That is crazy. Okay, let's open the package up. Wow, this is so cool looking. Okay, so BYOB, which normally stands for bring your own beer, I would assume, but this is maybe bring your own blur. I don't know. Okay, let's open this up. Oh, build your own blur. I was kind of close. Okay. Oh, okay. This is like a jigsaw puzzle. Like you have to pull it. Ooh, okay. Wow, this is really cool. So it says prime, cover, and set. So let's open these up. So the first one that says prime, ooh, okay, it has the blur stick. So it has the original blur stick, and then it has the luminous blur stick. Okay. And then for cover, oh my gosh. Okay, they came out with some new shades for blur. These actually look very light, so I may have to set these aside for winter time. Yes, let's see what shades they sent over. So we have, what does it say? Okay, I don't know what shades these are. Okay, so we have these 2 are light and fair, and then these 2, it doesn't have the shade names. They are very light ones, so I may actually put these aside for you guys for a giveaway, because honestly, even in the wintertime, I typically don't get this light. So yeah, I'm gonna set these aside for you guys. And then the set, which I think I've actually saw this, and It is! Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The funny thing about this is I actually already ordered this online at Sephora because I was so freaking pumped about it. I love all of Milk Makeup Blur products. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so these are the Blur and Set Matte Loose Setting Powders. Okay, so it says it blurs, sets, and smooths. It's $29. Oh my gosh, it's already online at Sephora, and I even realized that there's also a drawer that is concealers. Oh my gosh, and they sent over concealers too. So thank you all so much. I'm very, very excited. So I will probably be the shade medium, I guess is the correct translucent medium. That's the shade that I ordered online. Oh my gosh, and it even comes with a sponge. Okay, so you have this little sponge, and then you have the sifter, which you can actually pull up just like that. I love, love, love the packaging, and I'm so excited to try this. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking so stoked about this. Thank you so much to Milk Makeup. I cannot wait to try this out. You guys, I have been obsessed recently with loose setting powders. This comes in 3 different shades, but I've been baking my under eyes recently, and I really, I don't know why I keep repeating the same words over and over. I guess I'm really hyper for some reason, but I love the way that baking your under eyes looks. Like I've had this makeup on for 6 hours. Wow. Yeah, that's a long time. 6 hours, and I still feel like my under eyes look pretty good, especially for 6 hours. So again, thank you so much to Milk Makeup, and I love this cute package. I'm definitely going to figure out a way to set it out in my beauty room somewhere because it's super cute. The next package came from Bumble and Bumble, and they sent over a bag of goodies. Okay, I'm gonna need scissors for this. It says, as a fan of our iconic BB thickening collection, we want you to be one of the first to experience the movable, touchable volume. So it says, please enjoy the 2 new products and the rest of the family for great volume and softness. So let's see what they sent over. Okay, so it says 2 new products. Let me pull all this stuff out. I love Bumble and Bumble. You guys know I cannot live without their hairspray. I've been like freaking out because mine's almost done. So I'm definitely going to stock up when the Sephora sale comes because that hairspray, there's just nothing like it on the planet. It's the best. So let's see what they sent over. Okay, so the first thing is the BB Thickening Great Body Blow Dry Cream. So this is a heat protective cream that volumizes, hydrates, and holds blow dries all day. Okay, next we have the BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. This creates instant volume and holds texture all day. And then we have a BB Thickening Cream Contour. This is to smooth through dry hair and shape for styles. And let's look at the packaging. All of this is super duper cute as well. There's that. Again, I absolutely love Bumble and Bumble. Their products are so amazing. They're one of the only really high-end brands that I typically use on my hair. There's a few other ones, but normally like the most of my products that are on like my vanity are Bumble and Bumble. And then we have a BB Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. And I'll leave all these products linked down below too. And then we have a Go Big Treatment, which is a volumizing concentrate that keeps hair up for hours. Let's see. It doesn't say how to use, but I wonder if I can. Oh my gosh, this stuff smells amazing. Oh, okay. I can definitely see where, wherever you put your hair up, it's gonna stay. I only sprayed just a little bit too. Oh my gosh, that stuff smells so amazing. Okay, and then last but not least, we have the BB Thickening Pre-Styler Spray. So thank you so much to Bumble and Bumble. I'm definitely setting all these aside to put up front. That way I have them in my bathroom and everything else to style my hair with. But I'm so excited to try these products. Let me know down below, what's your favorite Bumble and Bumble product? I love the hairspray, of course. I love the Don't Blow It. It's a cream that you can put in your hair when it's air dried, and it seriously looks like you blow dried your hair. That used to be like a lifesaver for me in the summer when I would constantly be in the pool and have to wash my hair every day, which I hated doing. So yeah, that was super awesome, and thank you again so much for that package. Next package that we have came from Huda Beauty, and I just want to give a quick shout out to these products because I forgot to mention them in last week's mail haul, and I did actually show them in a first impressions. But these are the 2 Huda Beauty primers. So we have a matte one, and then we also have the Complexion Perfection makeup base. My first impression was I did like these. I didn't think that it was anything too crazy because I only wore them for a couple hours, but I definitely want to keep trying them out because again, I like the way my skin looked with them on, and I'm so excited that Huda sent these over for me to try out. I have the Demi Matte lipsticks on my lips, which I am still obsessed with. I don't think there's ever going to be a lipstick for me that does it quite like those do it because I'm still obsessed. Okay, next package we have came from MAC, and let's get it open. I did try to open these just to see what was in here because the package was so dang heavy. Oh my gosh, we have so many things. Okay, so here's some of the little pictures that they sent over for the different products that are in here. And they sent it in this cute little MAC like box bag. So cute. Oh my goodness. All right, so here's what the packaging looks like, and holy cow, this is so many MAC products. Thank y'all so much. So the first thing I see here are these iridescent powders. They're loose powders, and one is in the shade Silver Dust. Ooh, what are these? Okay, this is about the shadows. This is like supposed to be a powder with a sheen in it, but I wonder if you could use it like a setting powder. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's going to be a setting powder. Y'all know me. I want to swatch this. Oh, come on. Okay, so this looks like it's going to be like a glittery powder. Okay, so this one is the shade Silver Dust. Oh my gosh. Definitely a like highlighty powder. Silver Dust right there. And it kind of has like a pink shift to it. And then the other one that we have is a golden bronze. Oh my gosh, this looks like it's going to be so pretty if I don't drop them. All right, so this one is definitely more bronzy. Gosh, this is so beautiful. Honestly, I mean, yes, it is glittery, but you almost, no, I don't want to say you could put this all over your face. Definitely probably not try that at home. Look how gorgeous. I just want to put just a little bit of this on my face. I don't know if you can even see it because it's literally just a teeny tiny bit. Oh, okay. Again, please do not judge my makeup since it's been on for so long. I mean, it definitely is a really pretty feel. I don't know why I'm just like put it all over my forehead and everywhere else. Oh, give me a little bit of shine everywhere. I don't know, I kind of like it. Looks really pretty. I'm excited to use it and test it out. Thank you so much to MAC. Oh my goodness, these look so gorgeous. And then there's so much more. So the next thing that we have are these Hyper Real foundations. And I don't understand what they are. Hyper Real foundation. It says shake well. Now I did see one of my friends. Ooh, this looks so pretty in the packaging. I don't even know what it is. I saw one of my friends use it, and I think she actually mixed it into her foundation. So let's just put a little bit on the back of my hand and see what it looks like. I'm thinking it's for a glow. Yeah, it says get your angelic aurora. No, yeah, this is like a highlighter that you put into your foundation, I believe. Oh no. Oh my gosh, you guys, I literally just got so much out by accident. I hope this goes back in. Let me put the cap back on and hope that it goes back in. Okay, so yeah, these I believe you mix into your foundation. You're gonna get to see a huge thing of it because I just poured all of it onto my hand. But yeah, it's supposed to give, I guess, like a glow. Ooh, this is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, you could put this all over your body for just like a body glow. I'm so excited about this. So that one is the bronze one. And then they have a violet, rose gold, and then a gold. I want to see what the rose gold would look like because I bet it's going to be really pretty as well. Let's wipe this off. I learned my lesson. Maybe I can dip something down into the bottle instead of shaking it to come out. That was not very smart on my end. Yeah, this is definitely going to be for whenever you're a little bit fair because it's a really pretty like baby pink shade. I am going to mix one of these into my foundation tomorrow. It just gives a beautiful healthy glow. You really could probably mix these into matte foundations. Oh, but it says back by popular demand on these. So I'm assuming that means that they've had these before and obviously they were probably very well loved or they wouldn't be coming back. So other than that, I know I don't want to keep swatching everything, but they also sent over these glossy liquid lip colors. So this one is called Spoil Yourself. Wow. Okay, let's swatch this. MAC, you're giving me all the feels today. Oh my goodness, this looks, yes, gorgeous. I want to put a little bit over top what I have on. Feels really comfortable on the lips. Okay, love that. Let's see what other shades we have. The next one is called It's Just Candy. Oh my gosh, so pretty. These are so gorgeous. I'm trying to make sure. I don't think that these are like the other ones. No. We have the shade Just Hustlin'. They sent me a ton of different shades. So, ooh, this one is like a gray undertone with like iridescent feel to it. We have Dance All Night, which is like a really pretty like lavender purple. If you guys want to see a swatch video on these, let me know. I'm not gonna swatch them all now. Goldilocks. These are really gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear these, especially because they're so comfortable. And then last thing that we have are these Dazzle liquid eyeshadows. So two of them I saw swatches online, kind of look like the Stila ones. And then the other ones just looks like a loose, like liquid glitter, if that makes sense. But let me know again if you guys want to see a full video on the lip swatches. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 different shades total, but I'm very, very excited about these. They look absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much to MAC for that super generous package. I cannot wait to try these all out. I'm like so glowy, and then my lips are glowy. Next package that we have came from Dermalogica. Okay, ooh. All right, so let's see what all they sent over. It says travel skincare essentials. So the first thing that they sent over is a little mirror, and it says Dermalogica. And it's like one of their little products in a mirror. That's so cute. And then we have the multitasking moisturizer with SPF 50. We have the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. We have the special cleansing gel. And then the last thing we have is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse, which I absolutely love this. So thank you so much to Dermalogica. These will definitely come in handy in my travel bag. Okay, last but not least, we have a package from Profusion. So the first thing they sent over is this Daydreaming Believing, and this is a little notepad, and they sent a little pen over with it as well. And then we have these Profusion Lips to Go. It's a matte lip cream, a lip liner, and a lip topper. Super pretty. You can get these open. Okay, the next thing that we have is this Blush and Glow highlighter palette. This looks really, really pretty. And I'm not sure the price point of Profusion, but I think they are pretty affordable. I do want to do a first impression, like drugstore products video. Okay, so the next thing they sent over, this is a Sculpt and Glow contour and highlight palette. These colors look so, so pretty too. We have a Profusion brows kit. Ooh. Yes, this looks like an eyeshadow palette. Wow, you guys, these colors look really pretty. These are right up my alley, especially for the winter time and fall. So many beautiful warm tones. So let me know if you guys want to see me include these in a video. Let me know if you've tried this brand Profusion. I have never tried their products, so I'm excited to dig in. But you guys, I know this mail haul was probably a little bit long, so I'm going to cut it off here. We'll be sharing more products next week for next week's mail haul Monday. And then also, I've been doing a lot of damage in the makeup websites lately, apps everywhere. I've made too many orders, so expect a really big Sephora haul real soon. But I love you guys. Thank you so, so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.